Welcome to Nanonets Intelligent Automation, where we explore the latest in AI and business process automation. Today we're diving deep into maximizing your Gmail efficiency with auto replies and advanced workflow automation. Emails flooding your inbox? We'll start by demystifying the power of auto replies in Gmail. Learn how to set up and leverage auto replies for various scenarios, from out-of-office messages to customer feedback acknowledgements. Discover practical examples of auto replies tailored for diverse situations. From password resets to acknowledging job applications, explore how customized auto replies can streamline your communication. Explore the myriad benefits auto replies offer, from time efficiency and consistent communication to conditional responses and lead nurturing. See how they optimize email management. Dive into the delicate balance between automation and personalization. Uncover how to maintain efficiency while preserving the human touch in your email interactions. Introducing Nanonets Workflows, the game changer in Gmail automation. Witness how Nanonets elevates auto replies with AI-driven, context-aware workflows tailored for dynamic email management. Explore real-world scenarios where Nanonets workflows sync with Gmail, Salesforce, Airtable, and other platforms to create seamless, intelligent, and personalized auto-reply workflows. Efficient email management is at your fingertips. Implement these strategies to revolutionize your Gmail experience. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more AI-driven insights from Nanonets Intelligent Automation.